Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amardeep Yadav. I am Senior Consultant Venkateshwara Hospital in Department of Liver Transplant and GI Surgery. Today we are talking about our recent surgery we have done on Mr. Praveen. When Mr. Praveen was shifted to our hospital, he was very sick. He had a recent COVID pneumonia from which he has recovered, and because of this COVID, he had acutely decompensated. So he was very sick. He was referred as a case of acute and chronic liver failure. His bilirubin went up to 58. His creatinine when he was shifted was around 5.6, and he had little bad chest, and he was malnourished. So we had this challenge of stabilizing him before we can take him up for transplant. The first challenge was to stabilize other organs like kidneys and lungs, and he needed to be nutritionally improved, which took us time, and the patient family needed a lot of motivation. They needed a lot of counseling sessions before they could decide that they want to go for transfer. Second challenge was there was no compatible donor in the family.
Coming to the challenges we faced in this transplant of Mr. Praveen, there were multiple issues because we wanted a donor in a short span because he was an acute on chronic failure. So after counseling, the only donor whom they came up with was his wife, and she was an ABO incompatible donor. So we had to optimize the patient for that, and we had counseled them regarding the same. There were many other issues also in her because she had also recovered from a recent COVID infection. And the second thing is she also had mild fatty liver and a transaminases. So we had to optimize the donor in a short span of time, then take up the patient for surgery because it was almost an urgent kind of transplant which was needed in his case.
Well, hello, I'm Praveen Tripathi, and she's my wife, Pratima. I was suffering from disease in liver, जिसके लिए मैं एडमिट हुआ बरेली में स्टार्टिंग में. इन दैट केस उन्होंने बोला कि आपको एक लीवर ट्रांसप्लांट कराना पड़ेगा एंड यू डोंट हैव मच मोर टाइम. लाइक वाइज मेरे पास सिर्फ 24 to 48 आवर्स थे. तो हमने कई जगह से किससे पता किया, अलग अलग सोर्सेज से. तो दे रिकमेंडेड अस हॉस्पिटल वेंकटेश्वर. तो यहाँ हमने कंसल्ट किया डॉक्टर अमरदीप यादव से, जिन्होंने सारी केस्ट्री हमसे मंगाई और इमीडिएटली एक्शन लेते उन्होंने बोला कि आप हमारे पास आइए, हम आपको एडमिट करके आपका ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे. तो फ्रॉम बरेली वी मूव टू द्वारका दिल्ली हॉस्पिटल वेंकटेश्वर.
हमें बरेली में ये बोला गया था कि इनका लिवर जो है 90% डैमेज हो गया है, सर्वाइवल के कोई चांसेस नहीं है, मीन चांसेस 50-50 थे. थैंक्स टू डॉक्टर अमरदीप कि उन्होंने प्रवीण को स्टेबल कर दिया.
और जितना मुझे याद है, जब उन्होंने मुझे स्टेबल किया स्टार्टिंग में, स्टेबल करने के बाद जब मैं एडमिट हुआ तो प्रॉपरली उन्होंने फॉलो किया एंड इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन एज माय ब्लड ग्रुप इज ए नेगेटिव एंड माय वाइफ. मेरे पास कोई डोनर नहीं था नेगेटिव का, और मेरे पास सिर्फ एक डोनर था, मेरी वाइफ, जिसने स्टैंड लिया. उसने बोला कि मैं लीवर डोनेट करूँगी, बट द केस वॉज दैट कि उसका ब्लड ग्रुप था बी पॉजिटिव. बट इस कॉम्प्लिकेटेड स्टेज को भी डॉक्टर्स ने ईजी किया और मेरी वाइफ बीइंग अ डोनर लीवर ट्रांसप्लांट किया. और आज मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा मतलब हेल्दी, एक तरह से अपने पैरों पे खड़ा हूँ, चल रहा हूँ, जो स्टार्टिंग में मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा था. और दूसरी चीज़ मैं बोलूँगा, यहाँ का इंटायर जो भी एम्बियंस है, इन्वायरमेंट था, जो भी यहाँ के लोग हैं, आइदर दे आर डॉक्टर्स, आइदर दे आर नर्सिंग स्टाफ, आइदर दे आर जीडीज, सपोर्टिव स्टाफ, जो भी है, उन्होंने इतना सपोर्ट किया इन ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप. तो मेरा तो एक एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा. दुनिया कहती है कि हॉस्पिटल और कोर्ट किसी को जाना ना पड़े, बट स्टिल ये हॉस्पिटल इज जस्ट लाइक, मतलब my experience is wonderful. If I have to give a rating, I will give 5 of 5.
Mr. Praveen tolerated transplant very well. He was off ventilator on day 1 and was about to started moving on day 3 or day 4. And around day 11-12 he was discharged from ICU because he had ABO incompatible liver transplant. In post-op, he required plasmapheresis and plasma exchange to bring down the titers. In first 2 weeks he required 4 cycles of plasmapheresis, and after that his plasma exchange requirement decreased, and now he is not requiring any plasma exchange from last 2 weeks. He is doing well, his liver functions are stable, he is eating, and all the stitches in his abdomen are removed, and he is shifting back to his native place. Thank you.